Windows 11 may indicate that the memory integrity feature is disabled without providing a clear method to activate it. So in this video, we would show you some potential solutions. Firstly, address driver issues by uninstalling recently installed third-party drivers from the control panel. Next up, so all you have to do is access the Windows Security app, navigate to Device Security, and click on Core Isolation Details. Then, enable memory integrity, identify incompatible drivers, and update the device that has yellow triangle with an exclamation mark inside it in the Device Manager if necessary. Next, uninstall incompatible drivers. To do it, download Autoruns from the Microsoft website. Download it, then open the application, go to the Drivers tab, locate the problematic drivers, disable them by unchecking the box, and then delete any drivers causing the errors. After that, install the latest drivers from the official website or let Windows install them automatically after reboot. You can also uninstall relevant applications by opening Apps and Features, locate the software from the same manufacturer, and uninstall the unnecessary apps. Additionally, fix update-related issues by opening Settings, go to Windows Update, select Check for Updates to download any pending updates. You might also need to fix corrupt system files by opening Command Prompt with admin rights. Then type in the following, press Enter, and wait for the process to be finished. And lastly, use the alternative method to enable the memory integrity feature. Do it by opening regedit, navigate to this path, press Enter, double-click on Enabled, then enter 1 in the data value field, then press OK. And those are the 7 ways in fixing memory integrity disabled in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.